Today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create these digital products even if you are starting from scratch. And we will start with choosing a profitable niche. Now maybe you're thinking, but Shella, how do I know if a niche is profitable? Look for two criteria. First is research if there are big problems or big points that your niche is facing. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy the solutions to their problems. The bigger the pain, the more urgent the need, and the more people are willing to pay for a solutions. Second, there has to be a high demand for that niche. Are they searching for solutions online? If the answer is yes, then that's a green flag. Competition is not actually a bad thing. So, to sum up, if your niche can solve a big painful problem for a large number of people, then it is profitable. To hit these two criteria is to go B2B or business to business. The B2B niche means that you are creating products for business and not for regular consumers. So let me show you the travel-based businesses. Think about it, travel agencies, hotels and Airbnbs, car rental companies, all of these businesses have big pain points. Marketing, client acquisition, scaling bookings. But of course, as a beginner, you have to choose one specific target market and you can just expand later on. So in this video, we will create a digital product specifically for travel agencies. Let's get into step number 2, which is to identify a specific painful problem in your target market. Here's the deal. The more painful or costly a problem is, the more people are willing to pay for a solution. So, if you really want to make a great product for your target market, which is travel agencies in this case, you need to understand exactly what's going wrong in their world. While the biggest pain points are usually things like time-consuming tasks, confusion or overwhelm, and repetitive never-ending work. To make things easier for you, you can now use AI to stimulate the problems your target market is facing. Ask ChatGPT to give you a list of the top struggles of travel agencies. You can ask something like, what are the top 10 pain points travel agents face in 2025, especially in areas like marketing, lead generation, trip planning, automation, or content creation. Now, listen closely. You want ChatGPT to act as if it's a travel industry consultant with deep knowledge of agency operations. In this way, it will break down the biggest challenges and give you more context. So as you can see here, ChatGPT gave me top 10 current challenges faced by travel agents. Once you've got that list, read through it carefully. Remember, the goal here is to find a problem that's so painful, so specific, and so real that your audience cannot ignore it. Now that you've pinpointed the problem, it's time to identify the product type that solves the problem. Again, you can ask ChatGPT to suggest profitable digital products that can specifically solve those pain points. When picking your product, always remember speed, simplicity, and results. You want something that delivers a solution clearly without overwhelming your audience. So here, ChatGPT said that for client acquisition, you can create a lead magnet template kit for travel agents. This could be ebooks, guides, and checklists designed to help travel agents attract new clients. When managing multiple platforms for marketing, you can create a social media marketing template kit for travel agents. This could be a collection of customizable, pre-designed templates for Instagram and Facebook. Now, here's the cool part because you get to choose which digital product aligns with your own expertise. So what are you good at? What are your skills? For this video, I'm going to choose social media templates for travel agencies because I have a good background in social media marketing. Alright, now it's time to make sure that people are actually buying what we plan to sell. So first, we will use Etsy, one of the biggest platforms for digital products, to check, are people already selling social media templates for travel agencies, and are customers actively searching for them? So here's what I usually do. I just type in social media templates travel agency, click all filters, then select digital downloads and star seller. Now, here's a quick trick. Go to the URL bar and change the word star to best because this will show you the best-selling products instead of just popular products. As you can see here, people are definitely already selling travel-related social media templates, so that's a green flag right there. Next, let's see if people are actively searching for this kind of product because if they're looking for it, that means they need it. So for this example, for keyword research, we will use Everbee, a Chrome extension that helps you do keyword research on Etsy. What matters most here is the keyword score. A score of 90 is excellent because anything between 80 to 100 means high search volume and low competition. And finally, if you want to double check demand, you can use ChatGPT. You can try this prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT confirms that there is active and growing demand for these types of templates. That gives us another layer of confidence that we're on the right track. Alright, before you jump into designing your product, you've got to have a clear roadmap or outline of what's actually going inside your product. Here, we are building an irresistible offer that's structured, valuable, and sellable. So what I usually do is I ask ChatGPT to help with the outline. I just type in a prompt like this: act as a digital product expert, create a detailed outline for social media templates for travel agencies. It gives you a full outline to work with. Just copy that outline and paste it into Google Docs or Word so you can review it, make tweaks, and organize everything. After creating the outline, you have to put yourself in the shoes of your customers and ask, would I actually buy this product? Is this organized clearly? Does it solve a real problem for the people I'm targeting? So, if your answer is yes, then you're good to go. We can now move on to creating your digital product. Alright, so you've mapped out the solution. Now it's time to actually build the product. You're creating a shortcut, a tool, a template, a guide that solves a specific pain, but how do you build it without wasting weeks on perfection? You can use Canva for anything visuals like templates, planners, and guides, Notion or Google Docs for systems, standard operating procedures, and workbooks, and of course, ChatGPT. For example, I'm gonna use this prompt to create the content of the digital product outline I've made earlier. So you now have a content of the template travel tips and hacks. So for this video, I'm just gonna show you how to design just one template on Canva. So I'm just gonna choose before you go checklist template under travel tips. To do that, just go to canva.com and create an account if you don't have yet. So here we have free templates that we can customize according to the design or branding that we want. Just select the template that you like. Then we're just gonna edit the color, the pictures, and fonts. Then, we will just copy the content from ChatGPT. You now have a Canva template. Thank you so much for watching. You've got this. See you in the next one.